Welcome to MyPSA TV. I'm Kelly, and I'm joined by my co-host Chai for the 21st edition of MyPSA TV. Today, we are excited to bring you an in-depth look at the 19th MyPSA National Gathering of Pharmacy Students, NoGAPS 2024. This annual flagship event unites pharmacy students from all over Malaysia, offering an incredible platform for networking, learning, and skill enhancement through a variety of engaging workshops, symposiums, and team-building activities. Hosted by Taylor's University Pharmacy Student Society from August 15th to 18th, this year's NoGAPS has captivated participants with its innovative approach and immersive storyline. This year's theme, CURE, stands for Connect, Unite, Reminisce, and Excellence. This encapsulates the essence of NoGAPS 2024. The event has seamlessly integrated educational content with a compelling narrative, creating a memorable experience that connects participants in meaningful ways.
The participants were divided into 8 groups, and each group was required to draw a flag that represents the spirit of the group. Day 1 set the stage with dynamic ice-breaking activities designed to foster initial connections among the diverse group of pharmacy students.
Who are we?
Go Pharmily!
Winning?
So easy! Jaman! Who we are?
We
are number one!
KG?
This was followed by Team Building 1, aptly named SOS. In this pivotal activity, Dr. Darcy, through a robotic messenger, alerted participants to a crisis, a viral outbreak threatening Telora Island. Their mission was to locate essential remission materials to aid distressed villagers and combat the spread of the virus.
Day 2 kicked off with a grand opening ceremony that set the tone for what was to come, energizing participants for the exciting day ahead. The day featured 2 enriching workshops, Prism of Possibilities, Navigating the Unconventional Areas of Pharmacy, presented by Ms. Adiba, and Landscape of Veterinary Pharmacy in Malaysia, presented by Mr. Poshan Ganapathy. These sessions provided valuable insights into emerging fields and practices in pharmacy, broadening the participants' understanding and sparking new interests.
The symposium then offered a platform for engaging discussions. 4 speakers were invited for the symposium. Ms. Chong from the public hospital sector, Ms. Diana from the community pharmacy field, Ms. Tracy from the industrial field, and Dr. Ranuka from the educational field. All of them shared their experiences in different areas of pharmacy. These discussions not only enhanced the participants' knowledge, but also encouraged them to think critically about their future roles in the pharmacy profession.
As the evening approached, participants geared up for the highly anticipated Team Building 2 activity, Hustle Live. This was no ordinary team building exercise. It was a life-sized Pharmily game spread across the campus. Participants collaborate as they navigated through various stations, each representing a different aspect of the pharmacy field. Their goal? To collect the correct protective equipment that is needed to manage a simulated outbreak on Telora Island. Guided by a robotic messenger, students face challenges at each station, rolling a giant dice to advance and solve puzzles. The first team to correctly gather and combine all necessary materials emerged victorious, demonstrating their resilience, teamwork, and adaptability in high-pressure scenarios.
Day 3 was packed with high-energy activities. It began with the Public Health Campaign Challenge, which is also known as PHCC. PHCC is a competition between local societies presenting and showcasing the public health campaign that they did. This year, 11 universities took part in the public health campaign. Congratulations to Taylor's University Pharmacy Student Society, TuPSS, for winning the Best Public Health Campaign Award.
The excitement continued with the Pharmazing Race, Is It Over?, where participants face a dramatic twist, the sabotage of research lab, and the disappearance of Dr. Darcy. They deciphered a cryptic message prepared by Dr. Darcy to gather ingredients for the antidote. navigating through complex puzzles and challenges yet again. Their perseverance and problem-solving skills were truly put to the test.
The day concluded with a spectacular gala night and closing ceremony celebrating the culmination of this extraordinary adventure. The festive atmosphere marked not just the end of the event, but also a celebration of the participants' teamwork and dedication. The evening was filled with heartfelt speeches, lively performances, and reflections on the journey.
On day 4, participants took part in a heartfelt farewell, beginning with a reflective sharing session where they discussed their experiences and connections forged over the past few days. The day concluded with a lively mini concert where participants came together to showcase their group performances, celebrating the spirit of unity and creativity that defined the 19th NoGAPS 2024. It was a memorable finale, wrapping up an event that will be cherished for its innovation and camaraderie.
NoGAPS 2024. NoGAPS 2024.
NoGAPS 2024 has been a remarkable journey, seamlessly blending educational opportunities to an engaging narrative. From the initial crisis on Taylor Island to the triumphant resolution of the outbreak, this year's event has showcased the power of teamwork, knowledge, and perseverance.
That's right. The storyline has added a unique dimension to the traditional conference format, making this year's NoGAPS a truly unforgettable experience. Thank you for joining us in this incredible adventure. Until next time, keep striving for excellence. This is Kelly.
And Chai, signing off from MyPSA TV. See you next time!